Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a Lev Haolam unboxing. My boxes have been so late. It's October and I'm just now getting my August box. Unless there's some interest, this will probably be my last unboxing on my channel. Unless if you really want to see more of these unboxings, then please give me a thumbs up and also even leave a comment saying, hey, I enjoy your unboxings or something. So that way I know if they're being watched. I know they're being watched, but I don't know how much interest there is. Because I know there's other unboxings, but I want to make this quick, but I'm also going to do something special. I'm going to share some of my favorite products from the Lev Haolam past boxes. So I will share some of my favorite products. So let's begin. And for all those that are new, welcome. And thank you for coming back to my other subscribers, or if you just passing by, thank you for coming back and stopping by. So let's get started. So I opened this box. It was like plastic over it. So I really like that they've started putting plastic around it, because that helps with damage and all that stuff. So I'm so happy that my box did not come damaged. So see, I'm gonna first, and I have to say, when I opened this box, it just smelled amazing. So I don't know what's in here that smells so good, but yeah, something in here smells really good. So we'll see. And I mean like a fragrance, like, I don't know if it's like a candle or some cream, something. It smells amazing. But I like this. I've shown this before. They give you information and about the different companies. I'm just going to go through this really quick because I know there's other unboxings. And if you want more details, then just let me know, and then I can do maybe a more detailed unboxing. But I want to get through this really fast. They always give some type of recipe. And with the recipes, there is a product in the box to create whatever recipe so they give, and then this is all the products. So I'm not going to look too detailed because I want to go inside my box and check it out. So here we go. So first off, they give this. Oh, that is it, the menorah. That's a gorgeous painting. Like, I would love to frame this or put this in a book. It's really pretty. So if you want to read it, you can. I will read it later. And if you can always pause the video. Okay. So let's dig in. I'm just going to reach in and see. Wow. This thing is huge. Usually when they give olive oil, it's actually like this size. But this is a big bottle. I am so happy about this. I love their olive oil because I like putting it on salads and different things. So yes. So we get olive oil. Just reaching in. Za'atar. Probably not saying it right. When I lived in Abu Dhabi, we would always have this. Oh my gosh, I'm like excited about this. Yes. Oh, I'm excited about making this because I didn't get to get any before we left. So it's nice to have some in our Israeli box. Oh, my husband's gonna love that. And with the olive oil, oh, perfect. Let's see what else. Ooh, so Valley mixed nuts. So, wow, that looks yummy. I'll probably give that to my husband. He will tear this up. Could be his snack for work. Let's see what else we have. Looks like jewelry. So let's open it up. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Now, I have to say, I did get a bracelet before, and I actually had to toss it because it was tarnishing. I don't know if there's any way to put like a coating or something over it. The jewelry was pretty, but because, I don't know if it's because of the the salt in the air, but it was tarnishing, so I had to toss that. Let's see what else. Nut butter. Ooh. That's real quick. Oh, that would be good on some toast. Yum. Oh, my kids are gonna love this. Look at all the different nuts. Wow, that's good. Coconut. That is gonna be tasty. I'm excited about that. And this is what I was smelling. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this is exfoliating face wash. Perfect, because I gave my daughter my other face wash. Oh, and a daily moisturizing cream. So I'll just show you how it comes real quick. Oh, this is perfect. Yes, I am excited about that. And let's see, is there anything else? No, that's it for the month. I am sure because of the olive oil being so large and the nut butter and the nuts, I know it was worth the price for this month, and especially this. Usually these types of things is what really costs, because I think sometimes this stuff retail values for like $70, $80. I mean, it's a very good value, and I'm sure those are pretty expensive. So I am so excited. So really quick, I am going to show you, we'll call this Jen's favorites. Sorry about all the noise. All right, so as far as my favorites from past boxes, I will be honest, I don't remember what box it came in, but I'm going to share this with you. So here is this natural mint toothpaste. And yes, it is good, and I like it because it's a 2.3 ounce, so I have actually taken it with me to travel. I still have some left. I'm just going to use this up because this is really good toothpaste. I switch between this one, and then I have another one that I bought from Israel when I was out there. So that's one of my favorite items, is this toothpaste. This is one of my favorite items. It is a shoe and air spray. Now, I don't spray in the air. It's like pretty strong. I mean, I have done it like once in the bathroom, but I really like this for shoes. So like if I come in and want to just spray to have my shoes smell fresh, I really like this. Good stuff. Happy they gave me that. Let's go with this. I believe this might have been in the last box, but not sure. Or maybe 2 boxes ago. But these nuts. And I am, yes, these are really good. The reason why I paused is now I'm trying to think if this one came in this box or another box. I believe it did come in this box though, because this is when they did like the Songs of Solomon or Songs of Songs. So yes, these, I just opened these up, and I'm gonna give the rest to my husband because they are like super good. It's coconut hazel, so it's like hazelnut, and then it's like sprinkled with coconut, and it's sweet, and it's amazing. These are so good. That's why I'm happy to have the face wash, and you can see it's been used, but yeah, I just put a little bit on my face in the evening. So this is like a serum. So it's like almost like a cream, but you know, serums, it's for the nighttime. And then it moisturizes. And then this is really good. Like it feels so nice around the eyes. So I am so glad I have these. If I need to rebuy them, I would, but I even looked online. They gave us an offer to purchase it separate, and these things run like, I think $60 a piece, something. It's expensive. So I'm just gonna try to stretch that and use it as much as possible. And last but not least, one of my favorite items out of my past boxes are these beautiful earrings, little pomegranate earrings. And I have gotten compliments on those, and they're very comfortable to wear. So, and this is who this is by. It's Lev Haolam. So, yeah. So if you ever come across these, yeah, these are like super comfortable. So those are Jen's favorites. Those are my favorites. And I am so happy you're here for the unboxing. If you enjoyed this, or if you would like to see some more favorites or how I use these products, let me know, because I really do. I don't do a lot of face-to-face. I love for you guys to see the product. You don't have to see my face. It's okay. You already have to hear my voice. No. But thanks so much for stopping by and watching this. And like I said, if you enjoy these unboxings, please make a comment. Just say hey, hello, whatever. Give a thumbs up, and I will continue these unboxings. I enjoy it, but I know there's others, and I get my box so late, so I don't know if there's still as much interest. My last video, there wasn't as many views, but my past ones, I know it's later, they get views. But anyway, thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.